If you're just getting started on Amazon, the product you choose determines your success. But don't worry, you don't need to reinvent the wheel or sell anything crazy. In this video, I'll break down 5 types of beginner-friendly products that are easy to sell, low risk, and proven to perform. Plus, I'll show you how to research them fast using tools from AMZScout. Let's get into it. Picking the right product really makes or breaks your success on Amazon. Here's why. If you pick something to sell that's too cheap or too competitive, you won't make much money. Products that don't sell consistently will just sit in your inventory. When you start out with something solid, adding more products and building a brand will go a lot more smoothly. Now, let's take a look at some product categories that have proven to perform well over time and why they might be a great fit for your Amazon business. Evergreen products are things people buy all year long, no matter the season. These kinds of products are great if you want to generate steady sales that don't depend on trends or time of year. Think of things like pet supplies, dog beds, reusable water bottles, simple kitchen gadgets, everyday basics like socks or underwear, kids' books, or educational toys. For example, according to AMZScout Pro AI, reusable water bottles sell around 10,000 units on Amazon every month, showing just how strong the demand is year-round. These products let you build a solid foundation because once your listing is set up, it keeps bringing in sales over time without needing constant updates. While some products sell steadily all year, others can deliver big bursts of sales when the timing is right. Seasonal products like holiday decorations, swimwear or coats, Valentine's or Mother's Day gift sets, back-to-school supplies, and winter sports gear fall under this category. As AMZScout Pro AI data shows, sales of Christmas-related products peak in November and December, often averaging 500 sales per day on Amazon on peak days. Just keep in mind, inventory planning is key. If you're using FBA, leftover stock after the season can rack up your storage fees fast. But if you launch early, you can ride the seasonal wave and cash in big. Another important factor to consider is the size and weight of the products you sell. If you're just starting out, small and light products will make your life easier. Why? They're cheaper to ship, faster to pack, and usually have fewer return headaches. Examples include phone cases, travel accessories like luggage tags, compact cosmetics, stationery, and lightweight jewelry. These products are great for testing the waters, just watch your margins. Lower item prices mean you'll also need to keep your FBA fees in check. You can use AMZScout's profit calculator in Pro AI to estimate your FBA fees and check potential profitability. For example, a 7-pack of erasable gel pens selling for $12.50 has FBA fees around $5.24. With smart sourcing and pricing, this kind of product can still deliver solid margins. Keeping up with fast-changing trends is key if you want to grab quick wins. TikTok trends can explode overnight, and with the right timing, you can cash in fast. Some viral products right now are the pink stuff cleaner, sunset lamps, avocado slicers, pancake art kits, and skincare tools like jade rollers. This method can be fast-moving and a little risky, but if you're quick, these products can sell out faster than you can restock. Just make sure you're sourcing them quickly, and keep an eye on the trend curve so you don't get stuck holding hype-related products for a trend that's already faded. Reselling branded products is another great beginner move, as long as you do it legally through wholesale. These brands are already trusted by buyers and often rank high in searches. Think branded toys and games, electronics, cosmetics from known brands, sneakers, and designer bags. To do this, you'll need to find authorized suppliers and the right invoices, but the trust factor and search volume, worth it. Having great product ideas is just the start. The real challenge is figuring out which ones are actually worth your time and money. That's where the AMZScout Pro AI extension comes in. This tool helps you quickly validate product potential with real data, so you can make smarter decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Let me show you how to get started. Step 1. Install the extension. Start by heading to the Chrome Web Store and installing the AMZScout Pro AI extension. It's quick and easy, and you can try it for free. Step 2. Search for a product. Next, open Amazon and search for any product you're interested in. This could be anything from electronics to fitness gear. Step 3. Open the AMZScout Pro AI dashboard. Once your search results load, click the AMZScout Pro AI icon in the top right section of your browser. This will open up a detailed dashboard with all sorts of metrics. Step 4. Analyze results. Now that you've opened the AMZScout Pro AI dashboard, it's time to review the numbers. Here's what to look for. Niche score. This gives you an overall rating of the product category's potential based on demand, competition, and profitability. Higher scores mean better opportunities. Estimated sales. Check the estimated monthly sales to understand how well the product is selling on Amazon right now. Competition level. Look at how many sellers are competing in this niche or on this listing. Less competition often means a better chance to stand out. Price and fees. Pay attention to the average selling price and FBA fees to see if the margins make sense. Sales trends. Review the historical sales graph to spot steady or growing demand over time. Avoid products with sharp drops or extreme fluctuations. Reviews and ratings. Analyze the number and quality of reviews your competitors have. If there are lots of reviews, breaking into this market might be harder, but if reviews are low or few, there may be an opportunity to improve. Taking time to understand these metrics helps you separate hype from real potential and pick products with a better chance of success. Step 5. Calculate profitability. Once you validate your ideas, you can plug in your costs and shipping fees to get your exact profit margin before you order anything. So if you're a beginner, selling these types of products provides a safe, smart way to get started on Amazon, with fewer headaches and better chances of success. Test out ideas, do your research with AMZScout, and keep it simple. You don't need a viral miracle to make money on Amazon, just the right product and solid research. If this video has been helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you'd like a follow-up on niche ideas. See you next time.